Hello everyone, myself Bibina Samli doing my first year in BTech Computer Science and Engineering in Karuna Institute of Technology and Sciences. Today in this video, I'll be explaining how to solve a Python code which solves a partial differential equation using SymPy's built-in PDE solver. First, we import the SymPy library as SP. Then we specifically import PDSolve from sympy.solvers.pde. Then the PDSolve function is used to automatically solve partial differential equations. Next, we define x and y as the symbolic variables. These are the independent variables of our function. Then we define z as a function of x and y. Mathematically, this means that we are working with z of x comma y. After that, we define the partial differential equation x multiplied by the partial derivative of z with respect to x plus y multiplied to the partial derivative of z with respect to y minus z, which is equal to 0. So mathematically the PDE is x into dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y minus z, which is equal to 0. This is the first order linear partial differential equation. Next, we use PDE solve function to pass the PDE into it. SymPy then automatically computes the general solution. First, we print the heading general solution and use prettyprint to display the solution in a clear mathematical form. The solution that SymPy gives is z of x comma y, which is equal to y multiplied by an arbitrary function of x divided by y. So in mathematical form, it appears as z of x comma y is equal to y into f of x by y. Here, f is an arbitrary function which appears because this is the first order PDE and the solution contains an arbitrary function. So overall, this code defines a first order PDE and SymPy's built-in PDE solver to solve it automatically and prints the general solution in a neatly formatted mathematical expression. So here we have done three such questions with the same concept. So this is all about the video. Thank you.